Welcome in the kitchen. I'm glad you're here. If you're new, welcome. I hope you find this welcoming and enjoyable. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you could hit that subscribe button for me, it's greatly appreciated. And hit the thumbs up and leave me some comments. Those are 3 things I love for you all to do for me. It's that time of the year again. It's spring. And spring means the Masters. And Masters means pimento cheese and egg salad. So today we're going to make pimento cheese and egg salad. And these are recipes that I've had for years. It came from an Augusta magazine years and years ago. Supposedly they were what they served. But then supposedly those recipes are totally and completely secret and nobody actually knows the recipes. I don't know. But today we're going to do, as best I can remember, the way they tasted is the way I make this. So I'm going to turn y'all around here just a little bit. Got out my food processor because right here is where we are going to shred our cheese because I hate a hand shredder. And I've got super sharp cheese and I've got seriously sharp cheese. I usually use Monterey Jack, but I don't have any today. But the recipe will actually say Monterey Jack cheese, okay? Let's get y'all around there. Maybe I want y'all to be able to see well. All right. And we need, it says 4 cups of super sharp. So then we'll use this seriously sharp for that, okay? It doesn't really matter, but I like this one the best. And I thought it said ounces, but it does not. And I need an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. I'm doubling the recipe just because I've got a whole block of cream cheese and a 7-ounce can of pimentos. And surprise, surprise, I don't want to have it left over. And we will eat the double recipe. It is that good. This cream cheese has not been sitting out at room temperature, so it won't mix very well. So I'm going to pop it in the microwave for about 5 to 10 seconds right here in this little bowl. So I'm going to do that, and then we'll get our cheese shredded up. So I thought I was going to have to weigh it, but I don't. So I'll be back once I shred up my cheese because y'all don't want to hear this loud food processor, okay? Okay, I've got 4 cups of white cheddar, 2 cups of yellow cheddar in here. We need 4 ounces of cream, or 8 ounces of cream cheese, 4 ounces of cream cheese for 1. I'm going to pop that in there for just another minute. I want it to really be soft. All right. And we're going to drain. I've got a large 7-ounce jar of pimentos. So I'm going to drain these real well. If I can get them open. Y'all, I'm having arthritis is just not your friend. I don't care who tells you that they are. That arthritis is not a friend. Okay, I'm going to drain this jar of pimentos. Finally got the lid off of them. Right into the sink. They don't have a lot of juice on them. Okay. Let them sit right there. Matter of fact, I'm just going to go ahead and dump them in. Right there you go. There's our pimentos. I'm going to clean out that jar. And here's our cream cheese. Now that will be very good and creamy. And we need, I put 2 tablespoons of very finely minced onion. I need a cup of mayo. All right, there's our cup of mayonnaise. Put that right in that bowl to be washed. And let's see, I need 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, which would be 2/4, because I'm making double. And 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Y'all, I only make this once a year. My family loves it, and I probably should make it more often, but it just seems like I just don't. And 2 of garlic powder. And onion powder. No, I put the onions instead of onion powder. Okay. All right. Now all you got to do is just turn on your mixer and let it mix together. How easy peasy is this? You can mix it by hand. Don't sweat it. I just like to mix mine in the mixer. Let's get us a spoon and give it a taste. Yum. Mmm. That's delicious. Now then, I'm going to show you all what I'm going to do with them to serve them tonight. Okay, this is what we're going to do with ours for supper tonight. Y'all, this is one of the easiest things in the world to make. Look here, I've got these little mini peppers. And this is not just the cutest little thing. Instead of like stuffing your eggs at Easter, stuff these little peppers. And if you've got some fresh parsley, you can make them look like little carrots. If you've got orange ones. But I love my pimento cheese with a piece of celery or a pepper. And y'all, these are just pimento peppers that I'm stuffing, so that's just going to enhance the flavor. These are sweet peppers. They are not hot peppers. They're sweet peppers. Alrighty. And that's all for this one. Now then, I'm going to clean this up, and I'll be back, and we will do our egg salad. Okie doke. I'm going to turn y'all around here just a little bit so you can see in this sink a little bit better. Put y'all down there. All right, I've got 2 more eggs to peel. And y'all, I've shown you all this before. I'm going to bring y'all in real close here. Right here, down in this sink. Can y'all see? Good, right down in there. You take your spoon, crack the largest end of the egg. You take your spoon and you go up underneath that membrane. Well, right like that. And then you just start working it around and cracking it. Just like that. And these are fresh eggs, you all, so they're not peeling as well as an older egg will. But that's the way you peel your eggs. And I usually give mine a quick rinse to make sure there's no piece of shell left on it. Crack the largest end, just like that. Go right up underneath that membrane. And just start working it around slowly. Because like I said, these eggs are fresh, and you can tell that that is all still very well connected. But there you go. That's how to peel a hard-boiled egg or a soft-boiled egg. All right, turn back up here. All right, now then, we're going to make this egg salad. There's my towel. I knew I had one laying here. Wipe up this water. Okie doke. Now then, I use this onion chopper to chop my eggs because it's so fast and it gives you uniform eggs bites. And then we're going to mix it back up right in here, okay? Scoot y'all back so you can see a little bit more of everything. Now I think you can see everything. All right, just take my egg, right like that. Well, dummy me, didn't put that thing on. I'll have to, no point now. Oh, it's all right. It'll wash, won't it? And that's what happens if you don't have that little thing in there. It tends to gum up and stick. That's okay. All right, let me get us a spatula. Right in there are our 6 eggs. Y'all make as much or little as this you want. There's our 6 eggs. We're going to add 1/4 of a cup of diced celery. Boom, right in there. There it goes. And we need, oh, let me look at the recipe. I usually just mix this up and don't follow a recipe, but I'm trying to do that for you all. 2½ tablespoons of mayo. There's 1. There's 2. And there's 1/2. That's close enough. Close enough. All right. Got that in there. Now then, we need 1/4 of a teaspoon of granulated onion or onion powder. There we go. And we need 1/2 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. I knew we needed apple cider vinegar. Well, I'm going to be vinegary, aren't I? I'm just going to do this right here. Just 2 of these 1/4 of a teaspoons. And that gets me 1/2 of a teaspoon right there. All right, and we need a little bit of salt. About 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And about 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper. And there again, you all do it however much salt or pepper you want. And this is what you do with it. Right like this. This is another real easy peasy summertime lunch. Make you a sandwich, eat it with crackers, eat it with fresh vegetables, or whatever. How easy is that? Very fast, very easy, very delicious. And look what I'm going to do with it. Here's our beautiful tray. See that? Isn't that pretty? And I'm going to put a scoop right here in the middle. Right in the middle. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? Let me add one more little thing to it. I'm going to add just a little bit of paprika on the top just to make it look pretty. Doesn't that look yummy? That makes a great summertime lunch. It makes a great appetizer plate. Yum. Is that not just... And if I had some celery leaves, I could make those look like little baby carrots. Or if you had some fresh parsley, which I don't have, you can do lots of pretty things with it, but make your food pretty. And it's a lot more fun to eat. And people will rave over this, and you don't have any time at all in it. Make this way ahead, and then put you some crackers to the side, and you have a great appetizer plate, and wonderful for Master Sunday. For those of us that are gluten-free, there you go. There's your gluten-free Masters right there. Just use your celery and your peppers, and that's got us a beautiful plate. I'm going to bring y'all down here real close so I can get a picture for our thumbnail. Okay? Because, you know, we got to have a pretty thumbnail, don't we? Got to get everything out of the way. There. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okie doke. I'm going to leave you all with that right there and remind you to like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications. And that'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.